Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Ace vibrating butt plug. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Ace vibrating butt plug itself. Now this is shown in the size small, so it's perfect for beginners. This is the ultimate vibrating butt plug for beginners or those wanting to warm up before anal sex. Combining everything you will ever need from a butt plug, the only thing you may want to upgrade is the size. It's made from luxurious silicone, so it feels great against sensitive areas and is non-porous and hypoallergenic, and of course feels very comfortable to wear during use. Now you can choose from 6 stimulation settings and it's easy to operate with the button at the bottom, or you can even use the remote control as well, so it's great for couples. It starts off with a low vibration and then medium to high, slow pulsation, high pulsation and escalation, and you can control through the slimline wireless remote control as mentioned earlier. The remote control has a range of 8 meters and is great for partner play. The Ace comes with small stimulation ridges on the shaft, which will add sensations when you feel them the most. As well as this, it's also waterproof, so you can use this in the bath or shower for extra fun sensations. Now to turn on, press once on the button just here and a green light should appear. This indicates the Ace is now on. Press once more and the vibrations begin. Click on that same button to change the setting. Now if we want to use the remote control, press once and as you can see the vibrations have changed. Press the same button and you can change the vibration settings. To turn off the remote control, push and hold down for a few seconds. As you can hear, the vibrations have now stopped. To turn off the Nexus Ace, push and hold down for a few seconds until the green light has disappeared. Both the remote control and the Nexus Ace are rechargeable with the same USB charging cable. It's magnetic, so simply attach the 2 dots together like so. Same goes for the remote control, the charging point is located at the bottom, simply attach like so and you can recharge it. Quick, simple and easy. It's also flexible at the base just here to help with a comfortable feel and has a wide base so it stays in place. There's also a Nexus Ace user manual to help you with your experience. And when using the Nexus Ace, we would highly recommend use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. Please make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Nexus Ace vibrating butt plug small. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.